Hi, Tom Cofer with OnPoint Consulting. Today's post is really, I think, very, very appropriate considering the challenging times that we're in with COVID-19 and the social distancing and stay-at-home policies. I think this is something I remind myself of daily, and hopefully you'll find it helpful as well. And the topic is expecting others to change. You know, the reality is that people don't change their behavior or habits unless they're ready to change. I mean, there's really nothing you can do to make that happen until the other person decides it's time. Whether it's losing weight or getting more exercise or being more attentive or being present or really listening more and on and on and on, that change doesn't happen until your significant other, your boss, your friend, your coworker, whoever it may be that you want to change is ready. The harder you try, the harder I try, the more frustrated you become if that other person isn't ready. However, I found one thing that I do have total control over, and I'm sure you can guess what that is. It's me. I have total control over me. I control me and how I act, how I respond, and how I respond. I mean, what I do and how I react really helps lower the frustration, helps me better understand the other person, and really set a positive example by first addressing all of those little things, habits, annoyances that I expect in other people or another person to adopt. Whether the other person changes or not, it's still up to them. But you know, you, me, we can control our responses, we control our actions, and a result of that, we have a much more positive impact on the eventual outcome and whether that person changes or not. Bottom line here, don't expect change until you're ready and you begin the change in you first. And hopefully, hopefully others will change. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But still, you're in a much better place for having focused on you first. And by the way, this is a never-ending, ongoing process and habit that I'm always working on. And I think given the times we're in, we should really keep that in mind. And then remember, what are the three most important words we can use when we're in this type of a situation? That's help me understand. And I've done a life lesson on that before. Help me understand helps us with this entire change process that many of us may find us dealing with in the close quarters we find ourselves today. So with that, I will say thank you. Stay safe. Observe social distancing. Be a blessing to others. And we really appreciate it. Again, Tom from OnPoint. You can find us at onpoint-software.com or on Facebook or LinkedIn. Thanks and have a good day.